Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this back cordless heating pad. This helps with back pain. It is portable. It does have a heat function as well as a massage function, and it comes equipped with a portable battery charger. Alright, so right here we have our cordless heating pad with a massager. It's got 5 to 10 hours of heating, 5-hour setting, 3 massage setting, 3 timing belt settings. So this one here can work for 5 to 10 hours continuously. It is cordless, portable, longer working hours. You can get rid of those sharkable cords so you have a longer way to massage and not needing to charge it. It is 3 different levels. You've got high, medium, and low. You have a bigger area to cover. So here is the charger. And you also get the power bank, which is a 5,000 milliamp. This helps you truly go wireless. You can move anywhere. So the extent of the band is 49.2. And you do get an extra band to make it bigger. So this is the portable bank. You would just plug in your power. So you could plug it in this way, or you can also plug it in with the Type-C to USB charger. So right here is the power cord, as well as extra wires to plug in the portable bank into the belt. This belt fits anyone, wherever you're thin or plus size. The plus size friendly is 28 to 62 inches. So you do get the Type-C. Here is the user manual. This one here tells you everything is about the belt, how to connect it, how to charge it. You got 2 ways of charging it. You've got a little side on the pocket to put the power bank. You have the heat settings. You also have the massage settings, timing settings. Alright, let's go ahead and take out the belt. So it's nicely packaged in here. And first off, you do get the belt, and you also get an extension belt. It is pretty big. So this one here, if you need a lot more room, you can use this little piece to extend it a bit further. So the portable charger, it's cordless. It lasts about 5 to 10 hours long, so it makes this truly wireless. So here is your heat button, your timer, your power, and your vibration sensor. So you can see that it does extend out. You just connect this piece to the other piece right here, and then you connect the other belt side to right here. So it does give you a lot of room. See, it does extend out. And then these are the massager pad part, and this is where it heats up. You have the heating functions, the timer, so you can do it by 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 90 minutes. And you have the power button and the massage. It has 5 heating modes. Red is 100% heat, purple is 80%, blue is 70, yellow is 50, green is 38. So right now this one here is charged to 79%. So if you want to charge it by USB Type-C to USB, you can plug it in there. So this one here also can be plugged into the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this cable and I'm going to connect it to the power bank. Just plug it in here just like that. Make sure you turn on the power button. So you plug it in here. And it has a little pocket here on the side. So you got to hold it down in order to turn it on. There is a trick that I found out. You have to hold the power button on the portable charger. So now you can see that it's on and it is massaging. These things do get really hot, especially if you have it at the red setting, which is 100% heat. It has 3 massaging modes. You have red, which is high level, blue, medium level, green, which is low level, and 3 auto timer modes. Green is 30 minutes, blue is 60 minutes, and red is 90 minutes. So here's your settings right here. That's off. Now that one here is a high. The blue is medium. So you can see that it's massaging. You have 3 different levels. and the modes. This one's super warm. So this does come with the heating pad, a battery pack. You get a DC cable, a Type C cable, one AC power adapter. You get an extension strap that comes with this. You can see that it does a really good job. Now, if you don't want to hold this around, the great thing about this belt, it does have a part right here. You just put it in there. You got to kind of squeeze it in there, but it does fit. So when you're walking around with this thing here, it is portable, and once your battery is dead, you can charge that one in super quickly. This is a 5,000 milliamp battery that gives you between 5 to 10 hour long life battery. So if you're looking for a nice massager that gives you heat, as well as a nice massage that comes with a portable battery charger, I'd highly recommend checking this one out. This one has everything that you need to take with you if you're out and about and you need that extra pain relief for your back. I would definitely say this is the one. I would highly recommend this one.